Howdy folks, I'm just hopping on here to let you know about a giveaway that is happening on my page as well as the Summer School Electronics page over on Instagram. We are giving away a Fuzz 101 pedal. This is Summer School Electronics' most recent release, and we're very excited to be able to share that with you. Go to my page at MacWrite Music and you'll be able to find the giveaway tagged up at the top of the page and follow the steps on that post specifically. It ends Wednesday, May 27th. Hope to see you over there.